Hello guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. So a new update is being released for Aimogen, and today the new update will bring support once again for Unsplash royalty-free images, as this was not working recently because Unsplash changed and the plugin was not able anymore to process their images. Because of this, an update was released, and the Unsplash access key is needed now for the Unsplash service to function. So for this, if you want to set up also Unsplash to be used for royalty-free images, go to Aimogen settings, and in the royalty-free images tab, scroll down until you see Unsplash access key. Until now, this was a simple switch, a check mark to the switch to be turned on, but now this will actually need an access key for their API. For this, click on Unsplash access key, and you will need to register your account, set up access, and afterwards click new application and accept these terms. Accept, give it a name, create, and after you created, you are good to go. You will see your access key here. So copy this access key and paste it in the plugin settings here. So afterwards, don't forget to save settings, and you will be able to use Unsplash in the plugins. So if you are using the AI single AI post creator, bulk AI post creator, AI content editor, Omniblocks, all will be able to use it, and also the Aimogen images, the media library extensions will be also able to use it. So let me show you something. So let's create a post here in the advanced posting mode, and we will be able to use Unsplash, which is set to be used the first. As you will see, this is a movable list, and if you click also do not randomize royalty-free image results order, this will be used each time royalty-free image is needed. So Unsplash is set now for usage, and here I can generate a post about food recipes, for example, and let's generate a post title and content. So this can take a bit to function and to process. Until then, let me show you the media library extension, where we will be able to use directly Unsplash, because we can select the image source Unsplash, and we can set here a search keyword and simply hit search. And we will get dog related images here loaded up directly from Unsplash this time, as Unsplash did not work until now. So you can save the image if you click on it. So simply click on one image, and after you clicked on an image, you will be able to save it to media library using this button. Okay. So now let's go and check on our processing. This is still working. So until then, let me explain also how to improve the accuracy of the images which are automatically added. So you might know that you can use an AI to extract keywords from the post headings and titles, and this is an actual longer prompt that I created, which will be able to be used, which tells the AI, hey, that I need a royalty-free image and I need some keywords for this to be used to extract the most relevant image for what I need, and this is the prompt that I set. So keep in mind that you can also set this to improve royalty-free image search in the royalty-free image part of the plugin. So this should not take longer. Until then, let's check activity and logging, as we will see here in the activity logs that was extracted from text. So global favors was extracted from text, exploring global favors, a taste of culinary traditions, comfort food, crafting, comfort, recipes that warm the soul, innovative ingredients was extracted from text, seasonal cooking was extracted from seasonal selections. Okay, so we can see that we got also images from Unsplash because we set that, hey, we don't want to randomize the image order each time we search images, and like this we get only images from Unsplash. And we have here taste of culinary traditions, recipes that warm the soul, innovative ingredients, seasonal selections. Yeah, this is quite seasonal. So yeah, these are the images imported from Unsplash. Yeah, they are pretty good. So keep in mind, you can use Unsplash now, and also it is recommended that you use, if you are using royalty-free images, that you use also the functionality to automatically extract keywords from the post titles which are most relevant. So this is the prompt that you can use, and yeah. So go ahead guys and check Unsplash in the latest plugin update, and you will be able to benefit of it. Don't bother using this access key because I am deleting it right now. So we have it disabled now. Okay, so this is all for today. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. I read each comment and reply to them. Until next time, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye.